Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful romantic Julia dress. The pattern is available in both women and kids sizing. So let's start. You will need your fabrics, bias tape, sewing supplies, and the patterns for this style which you can download from our website. Place the bodice front and the back pieces together, right sides facing each other, and attach the shoulders. Overlock the seams. Next, finish the neckline with bias binding. Place the tape onto the right side and stitch all around the neckline. Turn the tape over, iron it down and stitch it in place. Cut out the excess tape on the ends. Moving on to the sleeves, give a loose stitch between the notch markings to create gathers. Place the sleeve onto the bodice with the right sides facing each other. Adjust the gathering along the armhole. Stitch and overlock the seam. Repeat this for the other sleeve. With the wrong sides of the bodice outwards, attach the side seams. Leave an opening on this one side where the notches are marked. Overlock each of these flaps of the side seam separately. Do this for both the sides of the bodice. Stitch a rectangle all around the opening to reinforce it. Now let's finish the sleeve openings with bias binding. Fold the tape and place it on the right side of the sleeve at the underarm seam. Stitch all around. Fold and stitch the tape in place. For the tie-ups, fold up the seam allowance on one of the ends and all along its length. Fold over once again. Do this for both the pieces and stitch along its length. The shorter tie will go on the overlapping bodice piece, while the longer tie will be attached on this other side. To attach the tie-ups, sandwich it to the bodice as shown. Moving on to the skirt, attach the front and the back skirt panels together. And overlock the seams. To gather the skirt, give loose stitches on each of these panels. Use the extended threads to gather up the skirt. Pin the skirt to the bodice piece with the right sides facing each other. Leave the seam allowance extending out on both ends. Attach the waist and overlock the seam. Double fold the seam allowance along the length of the skirt. Iron and stitch. Double fold and stitch the hem of the dress. Your beautiful wrap dress is ready. Thank you for watching and following along. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all very soon. Until then, take care. Bye.